Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Seema Teaches Better. In today's video, I am going to show how to make chocolate pancakes. So for that, we need 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 3 tablespoon powdered sugar, 2 tablespoon melted butter, 1 cup milk, chocolate sauce and half teaspoon of baking soda or baking powder. And we also need a pinch of salt. This chocolate sauce is made at home. You can check out that video using the link in the description box. First we'll put 1.5 cup of maida. Then we'll add 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, then we'll add 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Now we will add half teaspoon baking soda and a pinch of salt. Then we are going to mix it. Guys, I forgot to tell you that we need warm milk, not extremely cold or hot. So we are going to add 2 tablespoons of melted butter in the warm milk. We are gonna mix it nicely. Then we are going to mix both the ingredients in a bowl. And guys, remember to clean the surface while you are working. Now we are going to add some warm milk and melted butter. Don't add the whole thing at once. Now mix it. So our batter is ready, and if your batter is not being made with the amount of milk I am telling you, then you may add. So your batter should be like this. So guys, you need to keep this batter at rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes, and after that you start making the pancakes. So guys, I have waited for more than 10 minutes and look, my batter is so fluffy. Now we are going to bake the pancakes. Now we'll let the pan be a little warm. Guys, I can feel the heat. So now we will put the batter. We let it spread. and we're gonna use oil in its surroundings. As you can see, these bubbles are coming. Let the bubbles come for a minute or two. Then we are going to flip the pancake. Wow! We let it. That's it. It's ready. So guys, I have made so many pancakes, and now we'll put chocolate syrup on them to decorate. Chocolate sauce. It is looking so beautiful. And so tasty. Now we're going to take a sieve and powdered sugar to sprinkle on the top. So now we're going to put it. That's it. As you can see, the pancake is looking so beautiful and tasty. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.